Imagine coming across a $10 bill like this and later finding out it sold for $1,325. That's why education on these areas is so important, so you don't accidentally spend one of these bills, or worse, try to sell it and end up getting ripped off. That's not what we want to happen. So let's just hop right into this video. So this $10 bill is from 1928. It's important to know that 1928 was the first year they started producing small size paper money bills like this. Before 1928, there were large size bills, but more on that in a different video. Really quick, you'll notice that this bill was graded by PCGS Banknote at a 63 PPQ. That means there are no folds on the bill. This is a very high grade, and the highest achievable grade in grading is 70. So why did it sell for so much? Well, first of all, it's from 1928. Second of all, it graded very highly. And third, this is a star note. So you can see the star at the end of the serial numbers there. That means that this bill was part of a run that needed to be replaced because there was an error on the sheet. So typically what happens is when they're producing these sheets of bills, if there is an error on the sheet, what they'll do is they will destroy that sheet and replace it with a star sheet or a replacement note like this. And they need to do that for bookkeeping purposes and to make sure there's no theft going on in the Bureau of Engraving and Printing where they produce these bills. So if you have a 1928 $10 bill like this and it's a star note in high graded condition, make sure you hold on to it because this one sold for $1,325.